Yamaha. So first ride today on the new 2025 YZ250F. We are at Charles City Dirt Riders today. This thing is very torquey. Anyone who said the new Yamaha engines don't have a lot of torque, they're full of shit. This thing is plenty torquey, man. We got this. Oh, the 4-stroke stalls way easier than my 2-stroke. Oh yeah, there's that stiff suspension. You know, I typically say that I like 2-strokes in the woods because they're really light and flickable, and I like the low idle. But once you get the hang of the 250F, the instant torque it has is very nice. You just got to be a little bit more careful with the clutch, because I feel like this bike just stalls out a whole lot easier than your 2-stroke. I'm used to riding my KTM 150 through here. Whoa! Where you at, Sammy? Silent but deadly. Dang, you're beep beep.
This is so fun.
Isn't it?
Oh my god.
It's way more fun back here than your KX250, isn't it?
Dude, it's so fun. It makes me ride so much faster in the woods.
Yeah, right. You slow.
Nah, dude, what are you talking about?
Every time I look back, you're like gone.
I just lost.
I'm sitting here waiting for you.
I just lost.
All right, let's go, son.
Yeah, and I'm out of random time.
Beep beep. Oh yeah. I feel plenty confident on this thing in the woods. Oh, careful, that's a tight corner. I'm not looking far enough ahead. I know these trails very well, and I almost missed that corner. Oh, this new chassis corner's like a dream, baby. I definitely want to get a softer seat. This seat is pretty hard. I'm not sure I love the round shape of it. I would rather have a nice flat gut seat cover on this thing. But for having stiff motocross suspension, I still feel like this thing is cruising pretty good through the woods, man. I would do a woods race on this for sure. Oh! Can't be flaming out. I do think this bike starts easier than my 22 as well. It could be because my 22 was just a little bit older. The engine was a little bit more tired. Oh my god, dude. I don't know if I can use first gear back here. It's like too torquey and peppy. It lugs good. You gotta flick the clutch, of course. But I'd say it's lugging pretty good. Like, I'm in second gear, really, really tight corners. No problem lugging it around. Yes, sir. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, hills are so easy on this thing. Just chugging, dunk, 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 tractoring up it. This seat is hurting my ass so bad. It's really rounded.
Looks like it.
You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a flat seat. This bike is really, really loud, but I'll be honest, I love the sound of this thing. They actually do riding classes here. So for the day, you can like pay a fee for the class and they rent you all the gear out, they rent you the bike out, they teach you how to ride. It's a pretty cool little setup they got. Oh, that's a fun little jump. Oh. This one was always my favorite trail. This thing pops over those logs, no question. Oh, I love this thing in the woods. I'm gonna have to do some woods races this year, man. Dang! Ruts and roots galore back here. Yeah, and under those leaves, you can't see any roots. My front end is just bouncing all over the place. The motor on this YZ250F, best way for me to describe it, it's got great low end, but it's got the best mid-range punch in class, in my opinion. I'm pretty sure at this point I've rode all of them, all the 250Fs. And I just love the way this motor feels. Like where I use the power, I usually use mostly in the mid-range. I'm not like revving the crap out of it all the time. And that mid-range grunt, that bark, can't beat it on the YZ.